Hey guys, it's me, Happy out from Happy-Tec, and today I got bored, and so I decided to put a claymore on a claymore type sword thing. So, yeah, here we go. I mean, it's a claymore on a claymore type sword. So, you know. So there's that. So, this is pretty much the epitome of randomness. I had no idea why I made it, but I made it anyways. And just to show off some details, this is the claymore sword. My buddy Tori joked around putting a claymore on a claymore, but I decided to take that little joke into an absurd reality. And my friend Lee jokingly calls this the Fragmentaion sword, because it's just absurd to have a close range weapon have a explosive area of effect type thing going on here. I thought it was funny because one, it's a claymore on a claymore, and two, just given how insane I can be, makes sense. Keep the feet on there so it can be for intimidation points, I guess. I don't know. As it's actually wireless in real life. It's actually on right now by that, as you can tell by the red light. And basically all you have to do is just flip this cover down and press the A, because that's the standard channel it's on. So press A. There we go. And it unleashes all sorts of things. So I guess I can load it up with these things here. I got these from Wish. Just little tiny Nerf bullets you probably use. Probably comparable to Stefan's, I believe. So let me just load these on real quick. Okay, so these are normally supposed to be low in Airsoft, as you can tell by putting in the little hole there, but I put little these things again, little Stefan type bullets here. So let's see. So imagine you're stabbing someone, going for the thing, and you're like, ah! There we go. You pretty much unleash a bunch of Nerf shrapnel in their face. There's not much to it. I noticed it barely likes to detonate, as is with the wireless detonator here, as you can tell. But it is working, as you can hear it. This only really took me like what, 30 minutes to make. So there's that I got going for me. But just a simple little tiny obscure random build, I suppose. This is intended to be used in an Airsoft war, or maybe even a Nerf war. I don't know what I really want to do with this thing. But as you can tell, it works, as you can tell. Whether it's going to actually be legal in a Nerf war or an Airsoft war for whatever reason, that's... I don't know. I heard that there's an FPS. So you have to reset this thing. So to do that, you have to like push this in, hold that shut, and then close the lid. I actually did it first try. Usually the thing likes to snap open. No, okay. So basically, yeah, that's how you reset it. And press the A button. It should be working, but sometimes it doesn't. Just gotta give it a little tap. So there we go. This little absurd thing going on here. So I don't know why it's not working properly, but oh well. But there you go. There's the Nerf sword. I'm gonna load it again. So here are these. Load it again. So do that. Uppercut. Stab him. Blast him. That works. Is it the most practical thing? No. Is it the most funnest thing? Maybe. Is it definitely up there with the most randomest things I may have built and or thought in my crazy mind because of others giving me an idea? Possibly. And that's about it, really. Just a little claymore on a Nerf style claymore, I believe. I'm also not gonna put this on a real model claymore because I always have to swinging at people and I don't want to cut them, so foam sword was the best bet. I could use the Nerf Marauder, but those aren't available anymore, and the ones I found online are either absurdly high prices for a Nerf foam sword that I'm not pretty sure is gonna last that long, or pretty much just too rare for the use I had in mind for it. So a Nerf, I forgot what the name of this thing. It's a zombie strike sword. Basically, this thing in total costed me pretty much the same price for a vintage Marauder at the time of this recording. Last time I checked was like $180, I think, for one. I could be more or less now. So basically, the claymore costed me $90, sword costed me 14, so like $104 in total. And it came with batteries too, so that really reduced the cost. Anyway, before I go to ramble, this is it. This is just a sword. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had no idea why I made it. Then again, it's really fun. So, you know, again, to reset it, you hold in the little fabric here. Close that up. Hold it. Please hold. Nope, I guess. Well, I guess not. Oh well. Ow, my knuckles. Anyways, before I get to a tangent, there he is. There's the claymore sword. Claymore to claymore, the fragmentation sword, as one of my friends put it. And there we go. My name is Happy. I'm from Happy-Tec. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And so you guys, be chill.